It's been over 10 years since she was murdered, and justice needs to happen.
It is a case like none we have heard before. A man arrested in 2015 for murder has not yet gone to trial. Good evening. I'm Clarice Tinsley. The victim's son contacted Fox 4 with his frustrations, now almost 10 years after he expected justice to be served. Fox 4 Sean Rabb investigated what happened, and Sean is live outside of the Frank Crowley Courthouse. Sean.
Yeah, good evening to you, Clarice. Let me start by telling you the trial is now set to get underway January of 2025, early next year. But this is a case that has been reset 20 times since 2015. The case file shows it's been at least in a couple of courts with a couple of different judges. We've had defense attorneys withdraw. The district attorney's office 7 years ago recused itself from the case, and special prosecutors that were appointed have been replaced repeatedly. All of that adding up from the time of the murder to when the trial is now set to go to a 10+ year delay in justice for this family.
We didn't take a lot of pictures in our family here, but here's a few. My mother liked to fish. We'd go fish quite a bit.
David Vanderslice shares memories of his mother, Janet. July 2014, the 71-year-old was found dead in her Garland home, discovered by her son, who went to check on her when calls were not answered or returned.
I unlocked the door and looked around the house. Then I went into the kitchen, and that's when I saw her lying on the floor.
April of 2015, Garland police arrested David Wade McDermott. 1 month later, a grand jury indicted him for the murder. McDermott had been in jail nearly a year with no movement on his case. In 2016, he asked for a bond reduction. January 2017, his court-appointed lawyer withdraws to take a job in the district attorney's office. And then the district attorney at the time recused the office from prosecuting the case because McDermott's former lawyer now worked for the state. A special prosecutor was appointed but withdrew. And along the way, other court-appointed attorneys withdrew as well.
Then they had to give him a replacement defense attorney, which, you know, keeps setting the trial back.
That same year, McDermott was let out of jail on a personal recognizance bond and placed on an ankle monitor. Vanderslice says he learned that monitor was removed after roughly 2 months.
They let him remove his monitor and just be a free man.
The trial has been reset numerous times as court-appointed defense lawyers and special prosecutors changed.
And reset.
Vanderslice kept count. In 2019, Judge Carter Thompson, who we tried to reach but was told is out of town this week, appointed the current special prosecutor. But then COVID hit, for a time shutting down the courts.
It's been over 10 years since she was murdered, and justice needs to happen.
And I understand you have COVID. 10 years is 10 years. Okay, we had lots of cases pre-COVID that have been resolved.
This case does not belong to Dallas County District Attorney John Creuzot because the DA's office recused itself back in 2017 before Creuzot was elected. But Creuzot is also served as a state district judge.
A case 10 years should have gone to trial. And the person who causes a case to go to trial is the trial judge, whoever runs that court. That's part of their court management responsibility to get cases to trial.
David Wade McDermott is scheduled to go to trial now in January of next year for the murder of Janet Vanderslice. Her son hoping justice won't be delayed again.
I want justice for Janet. That's my mother, yes. I want justice in front of a jury, you know, 12 members of a jury. I might not like the outcome or their decision, but at least my mother will get her day in court.
So that day in court is supposed to happen January 27th of 2025. All of the attorneys that we were able to contact today, the current court-appointed defense attorneys, as well as the current special prosecutors, none of them wanted to talk to me on camera. Again, January 27th is when the gavel is supposed to drop now, and of course we'll be watching to see what happens and whether this case goes forward.
Sean, we know you will continue to keep us informed on this. Thank you.